Today I want to share with you something a little different. As a longtime investor, I learned years ago never to say never to any type of property. Typically, I don't look at condos for cash flow, but every once in a while, one comes along that's just too good to pass up. In this video, I'm going to cover the financial analysis for the property. I'm going to go over the rentometer for the property, and then I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of this condo. The property is located at 2940 Peachtree, number 3 in Stockton, California. This is in the country club area near Lewis Park. So you may be asking, what makes this one special? The property is listed for just $155,000. Now this condo was recently updated with updated kitchen, bathrooms, and other things. The HOA covers the exterior maintenance and the exterior insurance. So my clients only pay about $500 per year for insurance. The HOA also covers most of the utilities, so there are very little expenses here. This property will be delivered vacant. According to Rentometer Pro, the average rent in the area is $1,650 per month. When you plug in the numbers, assuming 35% down with no vacancy or maintenance, you will see that the cash on cash return is 6.99 with a GRM of 7.83 and a cap rate of 7.25. Let's take a look inside. My clients are doing a 1031 exchange and they told me they want to get this property moved this week. They're motivated, so give me a call and we can discuss details at 916-730-3846. And see the links below in the description for more details.